morning, everyone, and welcome to the Mindfulness Broadcast. Let's get started. So, this morning, I want to talk about anchors and how we use anchors in our mindfulness, really in our life, and we can use it through a mindfulness practice. So, anchoring is something that we do unconsciously, and we can use that tool to do it consciously. So, it can be something like, we open up our computer every morning. Perhaps you can identify with this, and you see the password come up that you have to change every, whatever it is. And there's that like, oh, that's an anchor, right? So I'm anchoring this emotion to the process of opening up my computer every day. That's an anchor. It anchors us in feeling frustrated, in feeling angry, maybe feeling impatient before we've even logged into our day. So we can purposefully create anchors in our life. We can purposefully create anchors in our life to feel present or to feel maybe emotions that ground us, to increase feelings of calmness or self-regulation. And we can do that through physical anchors. So for example, when we feel a sense of calm, we can press on a point in our body and continue to anchor that calm feeling. Every time we feel that, we just do this with our fingers, or we snap, or we do something where it's anchored in us, so that when we need it, maybe I'm feeling triggered about an email I just read, I can press my anchor or snap my fingers and start to access those emotions because I've anchored them in. We can anchor them in our breath. We can anchor them in actions, many different ways that we can purposefully create better pathways and quick pathways to presence, calm, curiosity, etc. So we're going to use our practice to do that this morning. When you're ready, you can close your eyes. You can also just take a soft gaze, which just means you lower your gaze so that you're not really taking in all the information around you necessarily. You're just inviting your brain to get present into this moment. Just begin to notice the sounds that are around you. Maybe any smells that are present. Notice any external sensations. Perhaps it's the pressure of your feet on the floor, or the chair back pushing into your back. Maybe you feel a hat on your head or a ring on your finger. Just notice what is. And then invite that awareness inside. Noticing maybe levels of attention or inattention, feelings or messages around hunger or thirst. Observing what your brain is doing this morning, or I should say your mind. Where is its focus? What is its chatter saying? Just noticing it all. We aren't shifting it. We aren't judging it. We're just kind of shining a flashlight in the dark and saying, this is present too. Look what else I notice. And with all that around us, without needing it to be gone or to be quiet or to do anything but just exist because it does, we're going to put that spotlight onto our breath. So we're just noticing the inhale, noticing the exhale. And as you're continuing to observe the breath and the space that exists between the inhale and the exhale, I want you to think about the power of this breath. The power of this breath. Obviously, it's the difference between life and death, but it's also used to activate a stress response, maybe necessary or unnecessary. It's used to activate our parasympathetic nervous system, so to purposefully calm ourselves down, get the thinking regions of our brain back online. It's used for connection. We think about the preciousness of baby's breath. So powerful, always with us. And we're going to use that breath this morning as our anchor. So what I want you to think about is something you want more of. And it can be something, like money. It can also be something like emotional intelligence. It can be calm. It can be love. Just one thing this morning that you want more of. Laughter. What is it? Name it. See if you can get it to one word. And then identify one thing in your life you're ready to let go of. Criticism, judgment, shame, my old story. Ready to let it go. And for simplicity's sake, I'm going to just say, I want more love. And I'm going to let go of fear, just to keep it simple, but you keep using your words. And what we're going to do is use our breath as we inhale. We're thinking about bringing in that, I'm going to say, love. Inhaling love. And then as I exhale, I'm letting out, letting go of fear. Exhaling fear. And you can use that breath and an anchor of words if you'd like, or you can simply say love or whatever your word is on your inhale to yourself, and fear on the exhale, insert your word. Or you can say inhaling love, exhaling fear. You can say more love, less fear, inviting in, letting go, whatever set of words and phrases resonate with you. So I'm just going to use the words a few times and then I'll be quiet so you can do your own. Inhale, love. Exhale, fear. Love. fear. Keep going a few times on your own. Feeling it as you do it. It's not just heady, it's not just words. Feeling it, anchoring it, inhaling, bringing that in, exhaling. Feel yourself letting it go. One more time as we close the practice. The more you do this, the more you anchor. The more you do this, the more you anchor, so that when you need it in the moment, all you have to do is inhale deeply, exhale fully, and you're already doing the work. If you haven't already, you can open your eyes. We'll see you soon. Be well, everyone. Thanks.